Hey there. Hey there, this is Christy Ashcraft from Christy's Leads, small business in Abington. It's just me. I just came across your company, I think advertising in Clipper Magazine. I live in Montgomery County. So I just thought I'd shoot you this screencast of your website to show you how much traffic you're getting and how to get some more and just how things work. If at the end of the video you'd like to learn anything more about Christy's Leads, please reach out via phone, email, or text. And if not, no harm, no foul. I'm going to talk about keywords, content, backlinks, and citations today. And I'm going to start on the front page of your website with keywords and content. So you have a lot going on here, a lot of different services, which is good. A contact, which is good, and your social media connections. A lot of images, even the way you're saving those images counts as content, so save them as highly searched keywords, like roofing, Montgomery County, siding, Montgomery County. Looks like you're hiring there, okay. All right, so it looks like you have an email and a phone number, which is good. So Google likes to see about 1,500 words of content on the front page. So just authoritative content that flows and explains what you are doing, what you're servicing, and where you're servicing it. It helps you makes you more relatable on Google. So within those 1,500 words of content, I scatter about 10 to 12 highly searched relevant keywords to your niche. So again, things like roofers, Montgomery County, new decks, Bucks County, whatever you want to do, and then try to figure out what's being searched the most and focus on that. That helps bring power to your site and gets you ranking higher for all of those keywords. So I'm going to talk about citations in the map pack next. I just did a Google search for home exterior services Montgomery County. I could have searched just, home remodeling, home exterior remodeling. Lots of different ways people search for the same thing on Google. And one of the ways to optimize your website is to appear first for the most highly searched keywords. So you want to appear in the map pack here. You probably do for other keywords, but you just go through a small process to get in here, GBP. Once that's filed, you just got to get your citations up. And a citation is just your business name, address, and phone number appearing in online directories like Yelp, Yellow Pages, and Angie's. And you just want to keep up with them monthly, make sure you're staying ahead of the game. If you are top spot in the map pack and top spot organically underneath it, statistically you get about 70 to 80% of the search volume that comes to this page, which is a decent amount for sure, because remember, these are all high buyer intent keywords for sure. So in order to get here to be a business underneath the map pack top spot, you want to have strong backlinks. A backlink is just another website that links back to yours. So it could be a blog about roofing. Someone mentions your website and it clicks back to yours. That's the backlink, and the blog where it's coming from is known as the referring domain. So I'm going to show you a tool we use called Ahrefs. Gives us insight into any website. So this is yours. So this is your trust and your power score. It goes all the way to 100. These are the backlinks you have and your referring domains. So the quality matters here. It's like the Nikes over the store brand. Google wants to see high quality domains, and then it makes your site more powerful. If these domains get broken or spammy, you got to get rid of them because it'll just bring your rankings down. You are being found for 965 keywords in the top 100 spots and getting this much traffic. The last thing I'll do is show you those keywords, and then while it's loading, I'll show you one of your competitors, their backlinks, their domains, their keywords, and their traffic that they're generating. So let's look back at your keywords here. And I will just go over which ones are high buyer intent. Upper Dublin roof. Oh, so that could be you live in Upper Dublin and you want a roof, 150 searches. KD1, which goes all the way to 100, so this is pretty low, and you're in position 2. So that's a good one. Wayne siding, so maybe siding and you're living in Wayne. 100 searches a month, you're in position 2. That's another good one, 0 KD. Siding contractors, Montgomery County, PA, so that's a little broader. 30 searches a month, 0 KD, and you're in spot 3, so that's good. Siding contractors, Bucks County, 40 searches a month. You're in spot 5. So again, you're looking at, you want to be in spots 1, 2, or 3. Window replacement, King of Prussia, 30 searches a month, spot 5. I mean, you can see these. Wow, that has 300 searches a month. You're in spot 16. So there's so much that you do. You probably want to try to like focus on a few keywords, or, you know, a dozen or so that you really want to focus on, that you can see where the search volume is high, and bring traffic that way, you know, to obviously those services that serve you best. So you can kind of go through and look, you know, what spots you're in and such. So I hope this was helpful. Here's a good one. And gave you some insight into how things work online, how you're doing. You get your rankings up, and your ratings go up, and your reviews as well. Kind of all goes together. So if you're interested in learning anything more, please reach out. My door is always open. I work within budgets. I'd love to have a 10-minute conversation with you to see if we're a good fit. And if not, if the timing's not right, I understand. Not a problem. I really just appreciate you watching. Thanks so much. Have a good one.